Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are wondering why your Snapchat public profile option isn't showing up, trust me, you are not alone. This is a super common issue in 2025, especially with the new accounts or if you are using an outdated app version. So here in this video, I will walk you through some of the best and effective methods to fix this issue. So whether you are trying to grow on Snapchat or just want to make your profile visible to others, this guide will help you to get that public profile feature unlocked and working. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links in the description of all the resources mentioned in this video. So without further delay, let's jump right in. So before we try any of the methods on our account, you need to make sure that your account is actually qualified for a public profile. Now here are some of the basic requirements that you need to keep in mind. Like, you must be at least 13 years old or older for you to create and using your Snapchat account. Your account also must be at least a few days old. You must have at least one bi-directional friend. Your email should be verified and your phone number should be verified. Now Snapchat is available in almost all of the countries, but still you need to check whether Snapchat is supported in your country or not. If any of these are missing or incomplete in your account, your public profile option may not be appeared. So you need to simply come on the profile tab, and you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to come on this page. Over here you need to tap on the settings icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you will see your mobile number and here you will see your email address as well. So you need to check if you are actually verified. If not, you need to get that sorted first. Now once you have found that everything is good with your account, there is no problem, and still you are not getting that public profile option, you just have to simply try these fixes. So first of all, you will have to come out of your Snapchat app and then you need to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Now over here you need to simply search for Snapchat, and once you are able to find Snapchat, you need to simply tap on that. Now over here you need to simply tap on the update option if you see here, because your application should be updated and it should be to the latest version. So tap on the update option, and after updating the app, open your app, tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner and then tap on the public profile option. Most probably after updating your application, you are definitely going to get the public profile option, but if the issue is still there in your account, you can try this second troubleshooting method. Now in this method, you will have to come out of your Snapchat app completely, and now you need to simply long press on your Snapchat. Now tap on this eye icon and it will redirect you in your app info section. Now currently I'm using the Xiaomi device, but you may also be using any other Android device like OnePlus or Samsung. So instead of that eye icon, you may see the app info option directly. So you need to simply tap on that option and then you will be landed in the app info of your account. Now over here, tap on the storage option and now tap on the clear data option in the bottom. Tap on clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache of your Snapchat app, you just have to simply open your Snapchat application again and check if the public profile option is visible or not. You can even just go to Google Play Store again and try to uninstall your application completely and reinstall it from Google Play Store or App Store. So a fresh install often refreshes the account feature like public profile as well. So if everything else look good but you still don't see this option, you can try manually activating the public profile. For that, you just have to simply open your Snapchat app, and over here you need to go to the spotlight section. Now here you will see the public profile option or create public profile option. If it doesn't show immediately, you need to tap on the three dots right next to the spotlight option or the snap map. If you are eligible, you will see create public button. So you need to simply tap on that and you will see this public profile option visible on this page. So these were some of the troubleshooting methods that you can use in order to fix the public profile option not showing issue on Snapchat in 2025. If this video helped you out, please like, share, subscribe to the channel for more social media how-tos and fixes. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.